Lock.
It's delayed eh. Dapat dito.
Hello. Hello.
Dito. Baliktarin mo.
Hey.
It's delayed nga anak eh.
Hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. We're here. We're here in Simon Park.
Mon.
Kasi
Dito sa aming bagong townhouse. Dito sa Boardwalk. Dito, feel natin talaga Canada na. Dito, malamig kasi maraming isno naman ngayon.
Wala, katatapos na.
katatapos.
Nawala na ang isno.
Oh, wala na. Wala na. Hmm. Oh, wala.
Ito si Lay.
Lay Dominic.
Lay Dominic.
Ay.
Maghapon na ganyan. Ay, abnormal talaga. Palagay ko yung meron na makuha niyang tililay. Si Mr. Bright.
Hey, busy.
Small kitchen.
Oh,
Wow.
wala na naman.
Continues?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Kenneth. And Kuya with Tito Donnie. The three musketeers.
Three musketeers.
Kahit maski drunk.
Master
Drunken
drunkard.
master.
Ayun, upload. Oh, enough! I will upload now.